Well, good morning from Chico's. Let's go visit the Wolf River for a second here.
This is Chico's bait shop. Check out the river from a little ways. Docks are back. Just saying good morning. Sun's just coming up. Here's what the river looks like down there. Still a little flooded. There'll be the lake. Well, good morning. We're going fishing.
Christine will take the first fish of the day. Nice one. She's got some nice rod bend going on there. It's on a 7-footer. Ooh, it's out there. Ooh, it's a big one. Big old catfish. Big catfish. Nice one. Let's see if she can land it. I'll give her some net action. There it is right there. It's a big one. Christine is just catching fish here. She's got some serious rod bend going on here. Another nice fish. Where are you? You good there? You're gonna go underneath mine. Beautiful.
$6 grand guaranteed minimum for my old trade. Have you lost your top?
That's a nice one there. Yep, another nice catfish. Meow. Give me a good shot at it, huh? 3 in like a matter of 10 minutes. She did have a good song in the middle there. We'll get the frable. That was a nice walleye. This is really what we're fishing for today. But we're catching a little bit of bycatch, a little bit in the middle. That's a nice one there. Come on up. There you go, Carol. That's a nice one, Christine. Beautiful. We'll throw that baby in the live well, eh?